WeCareSolar is promoting safe childbirth. We're improving access to clean energy for health facilities, and we are improving the inclusion and leadership of women in the clean energy sector. To date, we've served more than 8,000 health facilities, provided better health care for 12 million mothers and newborns, and improved working conditions for more than 35,000 health workers, while at the same time building the capacity for women to lead our programs. We're working towards a future when women can be the solutionaries and not only the beneficiaries of our clean energy for health programs. Let's light every birth and let's make it green.